Hello everybody. Hi guys. Greetings from Hong Kong. So we are in a place called Mongkok and we are starting to film. We're gonna go film some street food. Satoshi's behind me along with Lawrence, and we're in a really busy area and this is going to be super challenging. And I decided to do a live stream because tomorrow we're going to go to Hong Kong Disneyland. We're not sure if we're allowed to live stream over there, so I thought we'd do one with you guys here. What's up, Nasha Brad? What is up, Cassie, Sharil, Dewey, PS, Maha?
Hello everybody! Hi! Greeting from Hong Kong.
Look, was waiting for Hong Kong live. Hey Piper!
Right.
Hey Piper, look, hi Lawrence.
Nasha Brad, how are you?
Okay.
We're in Mongkok.
Mongkok,
Kowloon
yes.
side.
Kowloon.
Hi Piper.
Yes, hi
Hi,
Piper.
everybody.
Yes,
Hello.
and you know, Satoshi looks so serious. He's always serious. Today he's going to be cameraman. Yes. Look. Hey, Critical Eats. How's Hong Kong? How's Hong Kong? Stop it. Stop it. Well, yeah. How is Hong Kong so far?
It's good. The food is delicious and filled with energy.
Yes, it's a very energetic city, you know. And Piper Rocks, is your mom watching right now? Tanya says hi, Shinichi, Lawrence, Satoshi. Yeah. Okay. So anyway, where are we going now?
We are in Mongkok, right? And we're gonna take them to the try the street food.
Yes. Yeah. So we're gonna go to one of the main street food areas in Hong Kong. And guess what? I think we finally got some rest. Yeah, finally got some rest. So happy to be here in Hong Kong, and we got like the best guide ever. So
You mean me?
yes, of course.
Thank you very much.
Of course. Okay, so I'm gonna
turn.
okay, we're gonna turn. I'm gonna switch the camera around so you can just see the chaos of all of this. Hey Tamara, good to see you. This way? This way?
Go straight.
Okay, so you guys can go forward. I'm gonna follow you guys. So, all right, so we're gonna follow Lawrence and Satoshi, and we're actually going to be filming our video at the same time. So it's gonna be a little bit confusing. So I'm gonna give the gimbal to Lawrence now and then. Oh, what's this store here? Is this like a? What is this?
So, you know, like a Japanese
Japanese stuff.
Not actually Japanese. It's like
Okay.
Japanese look like kind of.
Oh, okay, okay.
Very reasonable price.
Very reasonable price. So Lawrence, Mongkok is like how would you
Mongkok is like a
describe?
center of Kowloon.
Central
Center of
Kowloon?
Kowloon, where most people live and also gather around because
Okay.
there's so many places to eat, to buy, so many choices.
Look at
and
all the food.
The price is very reasonable.
Okay.
So more like a local for local people.
I see. Oh, this is
Yeah, we are heading to the
street food area. Okay, we are going to try. もうここで動画撮ったの前。ここにスティンキー豆腐があって、もうここからもうストリートフードエリアなの。
Okay, the Stinky Tofu is right there.
Right there.
So
Okay.
Satoshi's gonna try.
Okay, first place we're gonna go to a Stinky Tofu place, which is right here. And you know, if you guys watch my older Hong Kong video, Lawrence and we tried it here, but it's a very challenging place to film because it's super crowded. But we are going to do our best. Yes,
Should be okay.
yeah.
It's crowded.
Sharil says, "Oh no, Stinky Tofu."
Yeah, you like it.
Yeah, I didn't think it was too bad. Okay, so first Stinky Tofu, and oh, there's a fried chicken place right next door. Yeah, that looks yummy. What's this here?
This is like all the.
Okay, okay. Will you do a Top Eats Hong Kong special? Of course we are. So here we got some more street food here.
Beef intestines.
Oh, beef intestines.
Delicious.
Forget that.
Delicious.
No.
Curry, fish
The
ball.
boss. But should we get these here or like a different
We'll
place?
get it somewhere else.
Okay.
But we try the stinky tofu.
Okay, we'll try to. Can you smell the tofu? You can smell it, right? It's kind of stinky. Okay, so we're gonna go to the stinky tofu, and yes, thank you, Sharia. Yes, it is fermented tofu, which is why it stink. It's not. Oh my God, it smells really strong, doesn't it? Okay, so this is it. Okay. All right. Okay, thank you. Thank you. All right, so this is a stinky tofu. One moment. I hope you guys don't mind. Yeah, this brings back memories. When I was filming here with Lawrence, now I know what to expect because it's, as you can look at the crowd. Look at Satoshi here. He's like Satoshi. It's the last time I was here, people were like pushing me. So yes. So the stinky tofu is 12. It costs 12 something. $12. 12 Hong Kong. I have no idea how much that is. I'll ask Lawrence in a bit. Hey, Rams is silent. Oh my gosh. Okay. So it's not so bad right now. Like the crowd isn't too bad. I remember last time I came here with Lawrence, it was during the weekend, and it was just insane. It was insane. All right. And they also got some other stuff here. They have original flavored checkered cake, which looks like a waffle to me. They got the Hong Kong style waffles. Right next door, they have a boba shop. And look, they have even more street food down there. So I'm sure we're gonna go to one of those over there as well. Yeah, but this place is so crowded. We're on a street called Dundas Street. That's H&M. Wow. Yeah. Hey Gina, I love Hong Kong too. I've been to Hong Kong like I think this is my 5th time in my entire life. And although it's chaotic, I really like it a lot. I like the energy. I like the food. It's definitely challenging to film. Yes, and yeah, but it's fun. It's a lot of fun. It's a lot fun. So how are you guys doing? Sobo, no, it's actually pretty nice today. You guys can see I'm wearing a sweater. So this is perfect. It's not cold, it's not hot. Yeah. You've been twice, 2 years in a row, Gina. Really? It's a great place, huh? Hey, KBD Productions TV. Good to see you. Yeah. Tamara, you know, this area makes Shinjuku seem quiet. Yes. The last time I was here 2 years ago, I was so overwhelmed. Hey Bobby, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. I really do. I was so overwhelmed with the number of people. Yeah, like I'm prepared this time. So we're still ordering. So it's taking a while. Okay. So let's see what else they have. You know, we're just waiting for them to buy the food. I remember this used to be a takoyaki shop, so it's changed a bit. But they have more street food stuff here, and they have like stinky tofu here and here as well. Some boba tea. Okie dokie. Well, you know, perfect timing because we are kind of thirsty. Lawrence says he was thirsty. Okay, there they are. I'm just trying to think, like, where are we going to eat this? It's so crowded. I'm leaning against this railing right now, and I'm already in the way of people. Oh gosh. Yeah, Tamara. It's challenging. If get a milk tea. Okay. So there are 2 boba shops here. There's one called Kingyo, which means goldfish in Japanese, but I don't think it's a Japanese store. And then there's another one, Gongcha, but we have Gongcha in Japan. So I think if I were to buy one, I think I'd buy one from here. Just because it's one I'm not familiar with. So, you know what? You see, guess what? Today, I'm so proud of Satoshi because he's actually taking the camera and filming, and in a foreign country. And this is actually new to him. But I'm so happy. Oh my God. Okay. So first, can you tell me like the shop name?
YY 小食. I don't know the English.
YY
YY
Sing Sing.
YY snack shop.
YY Snack Shop.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Okay. Just one moment, guys. One moment, okay? You know what? This is So we're gonna be live streaming and filming at the same time. So this is, you guys are getting like behind the scenes here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, smells really good.
Oh my God, I don't know. It's smelling really stinky. Okay.
So this is stinky.
Yaru? Okay.
So this is
Right.
stinky tofu.
Okay, one moment. Ready? Yeah, okay.
Okay, this is stinky tofu.
Okay. Oh, first where we are. Yeah.
Oh, we are in Mongkok.
Mongkok.
There's a street food.
Yeah, a lot of street food here.
So this
Is it
one
shop
they
name?
have stinky tofu. It's called YY.
Okay. YYQ6. Okay. Right. I noticed that there are a lot of shops selling stinky tofu
Yes.
on the street.
Yes.
Okay.
So this is 12 Hong Kong dollar.
Okay.
Cube.
Yeah.
One cube. So they break it into 4 pieces,
Right.
and then you can add the chili sauce or the sweet sauce.
Oh,
Or
I
then you
see.
can eat it plain.
Okay. Wow.
So they made it, and then when we order it, they deep fry it again, so
Yeah,
that
yeah.
we heat the tofu.
I see. Wow. So why does it smell so like strong?
Because it's
Because
good.
it's
Yeah.
good. Because
stinky
it's
tofu
good.
is just the name.
Okay.
It's just the name. It's not stinky.
Okay.
Right.
Right.
So,
All right. So let's try it.
yes.
This is my second time trying it. I tried it before, but I'm
Good luck.
I'm really interested in what
Good luck.
Satoshi's gonna think about it. Itadakimasu. Oh, I'm sorry.
Looks tasty.
Gotta get
yes,
close-ups.
looks tasty.
We're getting close-ups now. The sauce is really nice, actually.
Okay. The red one is the sweet sauce.
Okay.
The orange one is the chili sauce.
The chili sauce. Oh, okay. Yes, it's hot. Tanya. Okay.
Hard winner.
大丈夫？大丈夫？はい、
So, you ready?
Yes. いただきます。
Enjoy. What happened?
It's not
What's
bad.
happening?
It's not bad. It's like deep fried tofu. It's crispy. It has a very pungent taste, like a little bit sour taste to it. It's not
And
bad. I don't hate it. I don't hate it. I have a feeling Satoshi's gonna love it. You like it? Really? You know what? Let's switch. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna have you.
I think you try the one with just the sweet sauce.
So it's not on, right? Okay.
Chili sauce. Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
It's hot, but
This
it's
is
okay.
my first time to eat this one.
You don't.
It's very good.
You like it, right?
You like it?
Nothing is stinky. It's flavorful.
It's not stinky. It's just the name.
Really?
It's some kind of meaty or fishy flavor in it, but it's not unpleasant. It's good taste, and it matches with the sweet sauce.
Okay. So
He likes
we
it.
have good taste.
You guys have good taste. So I got bad taste. I
love
guess
it.
that's what he's calling it. That's what he's saying. Okay.
You try the one with just the chili sauce, right?
Okay, one moment. One moment. So, close up 大丈夫だよね. Close up 撮ってね. Okay, so we're done with this one. I'm just taking close ups. So we're done with the first one. Oh, it's really strong for me.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Okay, well, I think I had enough of the stinky tofu. I
Still
would
got
like
some
something else. Would that be
let's
okay?
go somewhere else.
All right,
Try
let's go to the
other
next one. Okay, now we're gonna go to the next one. どう? よかった? Yeah. Okay, can you tell them what you thought, really?
Oh,
Did
it's
you like
tasty.
it?
Yeah,
Yeah?
yeah.
Not
Some-
stink?
What is wrong?
See, I knew that he was gonna be okay with it. For me, it was Sakura-san.
麻婆豆腐 it's not 麻婆豆腐. The smell, flavor is different, and it's deep fried.
Yeah, yeah.
So
It's a little sour.
I don't think so.
No, it's not bad, but to me it tastes a little bit like it's a little spoiled, but it's not bad. It's
Not
not
then
that
we'll try
bad.
something else. then.
Yeah, okay,
Since you're not happy,
Okay, since I'm not happy.
we're gonna
Alright.
try the chang fan. The one that you really
Oh,
want.
let's do that. Okay, okay. Do they have it here?
The third one.
Okay, the third one. Okay, so yeah, okay, let's do that. So now we have to we just have to remember the names and the prices. The rice roll. Okay.
Rice roll.
What? Okay. How you guys doing? Is it okay? Visual and sound? Uh-oh. Heading out for dinner now. All right, Critical East Japan, have a good time. Thank you, Joyce. I appreciate it. So sounds okay? Hey, Greg from Australia. Okay, YouTube is having issues. Awesome. Okay, as long as it's not me. But it kind of sucks that YouTube is having issues. That's sucky. Tomorrow, if Hong Kong Disneyland is okay with me filming, we'll film from Hong Kong Disneyland. I will do a live stream from Hong Kong Disneyland as well. We're filming Hong Kong Disneyland. Where did he go? Oh. Hello, India. You know, we started filming. We went to eat noodles today at a restaurant, and they actually didn't allow us to film. So that kind of sucked. Yeah. YB, right now we are in Mongkok. We're in a place called Mongkok, and we're trying out some street food. Yeah, Edwina, we're gonna be going to Hong Kong Disneyland tomorrow. Oh, it is so busy here, guys. It is insane. But you know what? It's even more insane on the weekend. It's just a weekday today. Oh, okay, there they are. They're buying food here. So here's the next place. We're buying some, what is it? The rice noodles? Chengfeng? Chengfeng. Oh, okay, they bought it already. Okay. Should we stand there or
Yeah,
what?
yeah.
Okay. Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay.
Right,
All right.
after the stinky,
Here we go.
after the stinky tofu, we're gonna try something else. Are you alright?
Yes, a fly. Okay.
A
One more
fly.
time, sorry.
After we try the stinky tofu, we try something else.
Wow.
This is in Chinese it's chang fan.
Okay.
It's English is rice roll.
Rice
So
roll.
it's just a plain rice roll, and then with the sauce, sesame sauce,
Yeah.
and the sweet sauce.
Sesame sauce and a sweet sauce.
See the yellow one, the brown one is the sesame sauce.
Okay.
The red one is the sweet sauce.
Wow, it smells amazing. How much was this, by the way?
$15.
$15. So it's pretty
Quite a
reasonable.
good portion
Yeah,
from
yeah.
this shop.
What's the name of the shop?
Let me see. It's difficult.
Okay.
But in Chinese, it's called Long Zhun Xiu Sing.
Okay, what does that mean?
That means it's like snack
Like a snack.
shop.
Okay, well, it's a
But
snack shop.
all the shops are called like this anyway.
Right, so this shop is right across from H&M in Mongkok.
That
Oh,
was
sorry, I
not-
should be looking here. So this shop is located right across from H&M, so you guys
But it's not
cannot miss
related
it.
anyway. but-
Okay, all right, so let's give this one a try.
Okay. Me first.
Yeah, maybe together. Just try it together. Oh my God, so many sticks here.
So it's like this.
That's what it looks like. That's for you guys. You guys are getting like a preview of the entire video. Oh.
Delicious.
Oh. I love the texture.
Delicious.
Oh, it's like sweet, sour, black bean, sesame, like so many different tastes, flavors in one.
Yes.
Yeah. Wow.
So, would you like to try?
That's delicious. That's delicious. This is like it's really
So
like
basically, there's nothing inside, just plain rice.
right, but
roll.
it's yummy.
And then it's very much depends on the sauce. Okay.
A lot better than the stinky tofu, I tell you. Okay. All right. So let's switch because I think Satoshi definitely has to try this.
You have to try it.
Looks like
Can somebody press the red button for me? Okay. Let's see.
this looks like udon noodles, fake udon noodles,
Yeah, you can say
Japanese udon noodles. It's like more sticky udon noodles, sticky type of udon noodles. Inside there are nothing, but outside it's sauce. I like this sesame flavor and the sweet bean flavor.
The bean
So
paste,
you can
I think, yeah?
add any kind of sauce. Right? Sometimes
okay.
it's sweet sauce, chili sauce, but usually people would add sesame sauce with the sweet sauce. Usually, normally, you can add soy sauce in there, soy sauce in there as well.
See, originally this one has plain flavor,
Yeah,
so it matches with everything.
yeah. You can add it plain as well if you like, very
Really?
simple taste.
Okay, just with soy sauce or something?
Yes.
I think I would
Or
like
just
it like that too.
sprinkle sesame seed.
Okay.
Yeah. I think there's a sesame seed in there as well.
Ah, sesame seeds. Oh, I see. This is pretty. This is pretty filling.
And usually it's for breakfast.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
But now, I mean, like anytime.
yes. じゃあなんか OK なんかこう次はとかってなんかないとそこでまた終わっちゃうんだけど Alright No it does not taste like Korean tteokbokki at all. First of all, it's not mochi. It's more like really like a soft udon noodles, but like in sheet.
But it tastes like it's the rice made with rice.
Made with rice. Yeah. So
For
it's
us, like, we don't normally eat it like breakfast with congee.
like congee. Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or just like that.
So
Because it's quite a lot, right?
That's good. Wow.
Well, I forgot to mention this is made with rice cover.
Hi, Faith. So someone says, I love that. We usually put shrimp inside.
Yes,
Yeah.
you can, but this
Yeah.
is just a plain one.
Yeah.
And you think it's better than stinky tofu?
Oh, much better than sticky tofu. I like this way better.
That is not so bad.
This is good.
This one is $3 more.
What's hache? Does that mean anything?
Hacha, yes, a shrimp. With this we call it chang fan, right?
Oh, okay.
So ha is shrimp.
Right. Oh,
So ha chang is shrimp rice roll.
Okay. 何これ C さん
優しい。
優しいですか
Hello.
ありがとう The Netherlands.
Oh, hello everyone.
Look at this. But look at that. It's like, look at all the sauce. It's like black beans, sesame. It's really good.
Be careful of my expensive clothes.
There we go. The real Lawrence has arrived.
Only because of Tappy East, I'm here.
You're never here.
I do, but not like
It's not
filming here.
it's not
We are watched by many people walking past by.
Look, hi Lawrence, you look handsome today.
Oh, thank you very much, Joyce. Good
Only-
taste.
Only today?
Every day, Joyce.
Oh, There's like soy sauce in the
You
bottom.
do like that, right?
I do. Yeah. Mmm. I like it.
The bottom, there are soy sauce. And it matches with this rice roll.
It's hot. So that one is 248 yen. 248円ぐらい。これ誰か248円ぐらいですか？
Yes, Joyce, I agree every day.
You're right. It's about 248 yen. Yeah. Lawrence wears fashion designer clothes. Yes.
Thank you, Edwina, yes. But I'm in a very local area.
Look, Piper says we miss Lawrence.
Oh, hi.
Ni hao, Lawrence.
Ni hao. Question.
Oh, is it Lawrence or
It's a
Lawrence?
letter one. L-A-U.
I was listening to Sam Hui today.
Really? Oh, good, Gina. Where are you from, Gina? Oh, gosh. Be careful eating cheap Chinese food.
Even beer can be fake sometimes. Ni
Yes.
hao.
Oh, you're from Boston. Are you Chinese?
Kim Ho Wan to mark up.
Oh, yeah.
Is it?
Yes. It's,
Oh yes, she is Chinese.
Oh.
Gina's Chinese. Yeah. Well, thank you so much for watching, Gina. Okay, so shall we move
so
on to
she's
the
an
next
American
place?
born Chinese. Oh, thank you, Jackie.
Thank you, Jackie. It's worth the money just to see Lawrence again.
Oh, I'm crying
Thank
now.
you. What is that? Is Shinichi a ham saplo? What is
No. Well, yes.
that? What does that mean?
Is this a Japanese channel?
Yes. No, Shinichi's world
Okay.
channel.
Is that, are you a dirty man?
A dirty man.
Yes.
You lie. You lie.
Yes, true.
A dirty man.
Yes.
In a good way.
In a good way.
Only in a good way.
Yeah. Lawrence is a hottie.
Oh.
Yes.
Look, Lawrence has so many fans.
You want some more?
I'm okay. Okay.
What is this, the last one?
We
let's eat
will
the last
try.
one.
We'll try other things.
下の方はね、醤油だけなの。僕醤油の方が
So,
好きかもしれない。
shall we try other things?
Yes, please.
Okay, let me choose.
Okay.
Can you throw it to the bin
Yes, of course.
so you can
Oh
talk?
no, don't say that.
No, sorry. We finished.
Thank you, Cheryl. You're so sweet. Shinichi is not thumbs up. Thumbs up っていうのは nasty boy.
Really?
Yeah. Hey, Andrew Higgins. Andrew Higgins.
Oh, Higgins. Hi.
Right.
How are you?
Uh-huh. But look, Satoshi's filming today. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. I am. He is. Aren't you guys? Yeah. Satoshi's carrying a camera. Yes, he's filming today because I'm live streaming today. All right, so I am happy. Look, I am proud of Satoshi. We love you, Satoshi. See, I am proud of Satoshi because it is challenging to film here. It is so crowded, but he's doing a really good job. So I'm very proud of you. Hi, Jean J. Jean J.
Hi, Jean.
Is that a GH5?
No, it's not GH. It's G6. The old one.
GH6.
Old
it's the
and
old one.
another lineup.
Another line. Okay, so he went to throw away the thing, and then we're gonna go eat something else. Yeah. Hey Nancy, what's up? Hey Dark Paracord. Oh my gosh. すごい混んでるでしょ。でもね、僕前来た時ね、もっと混んでた。
そう。
週末来たから。ローレンツが休みじゃなかったんで。だからここが人がもうパンパンだったので、ここで動画撮ってて、マイクとか持ってる余裕がなかった。2つこう無理だった。Sorry, just talking amongst ourselves. Yeah, Jean J is working. It's a weekday, guys. She took a day off tomorrow, which is why she's gonna be going to Disneyland with us tomorrow. Lawrence took the entire week off. He's crazy. He's crazy. I have to look for some time so I can just spend some time with you. Huh? 二人きりの時間作りたい。
Is it possible?
It is. Yeah. Jin. Okay. You're back. Hedrick. Where did he go? Did he die? What? Oh, he's here. Oh, we're gonna buy more here. Oh. Okay, we're gonna get more at the same place. So he's getting some siu mai. Oh, wow. So he's getting some siu mai right now. Oh, oh my God, what is this?
This is shumai and fish ball mixed,
Oh, really?
and then slightly chili.
Okay.
Spicy. What is that? Oh, this is shumai and fish ball mixed.
Okay.
$10.
$10.
So with the slightly spicy sauce.
Oh,
And then
wow.
inside the soy sauce.
Wow.
So
Okay. Well, that looks amazing. Okay, I'm gonna try the fish ball. The fish ball
fish ball
with curry sauce.
with curry sauce
Is it curry? It's curry sauce.
or spicy sauce.
Mmm. Mmm. It's bouncy.
Right?
Mm.
Try the shumai then.
Mmm. Super flavorful too. Mm.
It's only $10
Shumai. $10 for the whole thing.
for the whole thing.
Oh.
What?
Better.
What? I like the movie Crazy Rich Asian.
I like the siu mai better.
Really?
The sauce is amazing.
Okay,
It's a little
Satoshi, I
spicy.
think Satoshi need to try it.
It's a little spicy and it's really good.
But the sauce is very important.
The sauce is good. Switching.
Try the shumai
Shumai and
and the fish ball.
a fish ball. Okay.
Yes. So it's a combo.
It's off.
Can you press the red button?
This one.
It's off now.
It's off?
いただきます。It's shumai. Looks like curry. My favorite types of spice. But curry, but it has another dimension. What is this? Something like roasted.
Not
really
entirely,
good. It's really
well,
good.
I think it's kind of curry.
Kind of curry, but not Japanese curry.
Not Japanese curry.
Not Japanese curry. The fish ball is so bouncy.
Really?
Oh, someone says, is this pork or shrimp? Shumai.
It's flavorful.
Basically, this is fish. Yeah.
Okay.
Fish shumai.
Fish shumai.
Oh, fish
It's
shumai.
fish.
Fish flavor
Fish.
shumai.
Interesting. Love this.
Can I have one, please?
Oh, you haven't eaten.
You are a guest. So you say,
So somebody just witnesses why is Lawrence not eating?
yes, you know, they are really enjoying it. I pay for it though. So
Oh my
I have to have one.
It's so sorry.
Is that okay?
そう後で払わないとね。
Of course.
Good, yeah.
Good. Yeah, this is very good.
Oh, spicy though.
Spicy.
Yeah, it's a little bit spicy.
Spicy. For us, for me, it's okay. For Shinichi, it's okay. For Lawrence,
But then I
it's
only
too much
asked for,
spicy.
I didn't ask for the full spice level. I only asked half of it.
Right.
So it's already that spicy.
Okay.
Do you like the fish ball?
Yeah, I like both.
You know, just with the soy sauce, it's tasty.
Right. So,
The bottom is also soy
Soy
sauce.
sauce.
なんか終わらせてください。
Okay.
なんか
Okay. We
Bouncy.
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 Bouncy. Bouncy in fish ball is
waiting for them to finish talking.
You finish?
okay.
終わらせて。
Okay. Let's go to next. Let's
I
go
need
to
a drink
next.
actually.
Wait.
So let's eat another food.
Okay. お願いします。Well, it's perfect because everyone's like, your next item should be milk tea.
Yes, I need some drink now.
Like Hong Kong milk tea.
They have other. I think they have other teas as well.
Okay.
Should I just get
Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna have. I love this.
Shumai.
I like both actually.
It's only $10.
The whole thing.
Yeah. So they do like two size, two portion.
Okay.
One's $10, one $20.
Really?
So this is a $10.
This is a great
We drink quite a
snack.
lot, right?
Mmm.
Well, oh God.
What is it?
Obviously, no. You really like this one. So now one is better than the other one. Tofu, and then we have the changfan, and now the shumai
This is my favorite.
so far. Okay. Let me throw to you.
Hi Piper Rocks. Yeah, the Hong Kong style milk tea. It's just a little bit sweet, not too sweet, but it's very different from like milk tea you drink in Japan because they don't use milk. They actually use unsweetened condensed milk. So it's a little bit different. Yeah. So
I'm so satisfied. It's so tasty.
yes. But as always, that's not enough food. We're gonna be eating a lot more. Piper Rocks. So, is your mother watching? Satoshi has to sing Sakura for your mother. All right. Oh. Ooh, that's kind of spicy. Oh, she's asleep. Okay, that's okay. Next time. Oh, okay. Evaporated milk. Thank you so much, Jean. Thank you so much for teaching us. Okay, now we're gonna get. Is he getting something else? He's getting something else. He's getting more food for us. Okay, so here's another stall. Hi, Kimberly. So, mango pictures, of course, we're gonna try. We're gonna try the waffles, and we're also gonna be trying the egg tart. Okay? No, he's right over here. I'm gonna stand over here. I need to look for a place where I can just stand and film because I'm just in the way of everyone's. Oh. Satoshi! Sorry. Not. Sorry. Satoshi, こっちいるからね。ここにいるから。Sorry, I have to get out of the way. Hi Grace, thank you so much. Okay, this looks a little bit better. Like I think it's less noisy here to film. Oh my gosh. No, there are absolutely no place to stand. This place is okay. But okay, so we're buying something from there, and then right next to it is this place called Hot Star Large Fried Chicken, and supposedly they're famous for fried chicken. And then, but I think after this we're gonna go get some Hong Kong tea, and then maybe the gai dan jai, which is the waffle, and then the egg tart. Yeah. Right, Nashabrat? I know that. Are you getting proper dinner? Sharil, today, most likely not. Most likely we're not gonna get a proper dinner. No, probably not. Grace Wong, I totally agree with you. You know, you just gotta roll with it. I agree with you. Like if you try to be, out of people's way, it's just impossible. Okay. Oh my goodness. Anne Helen, you know what? Anne Helen. And for those of you who have issues with anxiety, for example, 2 years ago when I was here by myself, I had like serious anxiety problems here, and so I had to go to the park, which is like right over there, and just chill for an hour because it was so chaotic for me. And it took me 3 days to finally get used to this pace of life the last time I was here. But I think this time I was mentally prepared. I knew what to expect. So you know, no problem this time. Yeah. Good night, Piper Rocks. Have a good evening. Yeah. Betty Boop, how the hell will you manage India? Well, you know, that's a challenge. That's a challenge, and I'll take that challenge. I'm up for anything, really. Yeah. Right. Yeah. Hi, Gene. Keep your mind calm despite Hong Kong madness. Exactly. I think staying calm inwards is very important. Very important. Not. Don't focus on the crowds. Yeah. And if you, I mean, you know, it's good to like notice the crowds. I think, but look at it more like with interest. You know, like, wow, you know, this is interesting. It's so different from where I live. Yeah. Okay. I'm over. Okay. I'm over here. Yeah. Okay. So, we're on the street right now, and this street is called Saiyong Choi Street South. A lot of shops here. Hi. Hi. How are you doing? Are you okay? Yeah? 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 Okay. Yeah. Gene, exactly. That's what I do. I look at it as a third party. I don't let it get to me anymore. So みんながね、このセカンドチャンネル見てるからさ、みんな絶対無理、このクラウドでこのパニックアタックになるって言うんだけど、でもまあ僕がやることはもうこうやって見るの。ああ、なんか面白い。うちね、自分が住んでるところと全然違うねってか、トゥーリストみたいにこう、yeah.
Okay.
Oh, what is this?
This is shumai, but deep fried.
Okay.
Shumai with salt and pepper.
Oh my god.
I never tried it before.
Oh my god.
So I don't know what tastes like.
サトシで、お店言わなかったら言って、What is it called? とかで最初にちょっと、じゃあ。Alrighty.
Oh, looks very delicious. So what is this shop name?
The shop is called Gai Gei Music.
Gaike Sweden.
It's very hot though. Be
Very
careful.
hot. Yes, I saw it's just deep fried now.
I never tried it. I don't know what it tastes like.
指誰か。ごめん。
Yeah. Yeah, I tried to get them to try the beef organs, but they wouldn't do it.
なんで合わないんだろ
Yeah, fried shumai we're
う。
trying.
後でやろう。はい。
So
They look
it looks
delicious.
very delicious.
Yeah.
The yellow color. It's maybe it's same kind of spicy curry type, but it's deep fried.
What?
It's so hot. Mmm.
Is it good?
Mmm.
Well, I have never tried fried shumai before, so I wonder what it tastes like. Is it very hot?
Very hot. But it's yeah, don't worry.
It's
Not
delicious.
too hot.
Careful. It's good?
Mmm.
It tastes like it's fish cake. It's like the Japanese kamaboko flavor, deep fried and salt and pepper and curry seasoned. I never eaten this flavor. It's really good.
Interesting.
Really?
Yeah, you have to try it.
Is it hot?
It's hot. Be careful. Crispy.
Mmm.
It's like crispy,
Mmm.
crispy wonton kind of thing, right?
Mmm.
Yes. What's that mean?
There's no sauce on this one, it's just salt. But it's perfect, you don't need anything else. Crispy on the outside, kind of squishy and soft on the inside. It tastes like crab or shrimp or something.
Yeah. So it's
No?
it's a deep fried shumai.
Yeah. Oh, it's delicious.
I never tried this before. Usually shumai is like steamed,
Right.
right?
Okay, I don't know which one I like the best. How much was this one?
This is $20 for 10.
$20 for 10. That's not bad.
Not bad.
Not bad at all. All right, let's go get something to drink. I'm thirsty. And then we go to the drink.
結構
Okay. Now we gotta get close-ups again.
Hello, Larry.
Yeah. So, yeah, this is what we kind of, this is how, what happened? Sorry, you Shinichi. Why? Why? Why sorry? Yeah, thirsty now.
I'm thirsty now. I'm gonna get some drink.
Oh, yes. So we're getting close-ups now. We always gotta get the close-ups, right? And then we bite into it so we can show you guys what it looks like at the inside. We do this afterwards or before we actually eat it. This is like behind the scenes. Grace Wong, yes. Stinky Tofu was the first thing we tried.
And he didn't like it.
I don't really like it. I don't hate it.
So we have so far tried 4 things.
Yep.
Stinky tofu, and then the chang fan,
Yeah.
rice roll, and then the shumai and fish ball
Yeah.
with curry sauce.
Yeah.
And this is a deep fried shumai with salt and pepper.
Which is delicious.
Try it.
Which is delicious.
Oh,
Faye, thank
thank
you
you,
so much.
Faye.
Thank you so much.
How to drink? Yes, it will help.
Sunchu Kwon, I want to go to Korea so badly.
Me
I
too.
promise. You too?
I like Korean guy.
I like Korean food.
And guy.
I'll just take the Korean food. How's that? He'll take all the
I'll
Korean
take both.
guys. You'll take both?
Yes.
Okay. Alrighty.
Okay.
I like this a lot.
This is new. I never tried it.
Really? So that's the deep fried shumai, just simply
new. I never
salted.
tried
Oh, this is new.
Yeah. Usually they taste like this steamed one.
Oh my god.
So this is deep fried. That's why I try. Good. Alright.
I like it.
We need to drink now.
Okay, let's
Very
drink.
thirsty.
You can put it in my bag. I'll eat it later.
For this?
No?
No.
Okay, no, it's oily. Alright.
Finish it. Not my bag.
Why not? Alright. Korean guys for Lawrence.
Oh, thank you very much. Yes, I do need more than just one. I need a group, like a K-pop group.
You know the whole world is
Oh no!
listening to you, right? Well, wow.
Wow. Yes.
So Lawrence needed the whole K-pop group in his apartment tonight. All right, so something to drink. Hong Kong. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Do you want?
All right, we're gonna get something to drink now.
Shall we get the tea over there?
Yeah.
The drink.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna get the drink. Ooh, it's good.
It's good that not crowded.
I know. The last time it was more crowded, right?
Yeah.
Why was that? Is it the weekend? Did we come on the weekend or? But it was so crowded before.
Maybe because it's Monday.
Okay. All right. So we are going to go and get the tea. Yeah, but so here. Yes. Okay. So yes. Is there like a Hong Kong milk tea here, or is this like Taiwan? No, we can't do Taiwan.
Okay, we forget.
We have to do like I'm sorry. We have to do Hong Kong. So we're not gonna
Milk
get it
tea,
there.
you have to go to the Cha Chan Tang.
Cha Chang Ten.
But
Okay.
maybe we can just walk along. and
Okay.
see.
Okay. So that place is good. And oh, here's another boba shop. Oh, this is Gongcha. No, we have Gongcha in Japan. It's Taiwanese. What's this one here?
Coconut drink
Coconut drink. What's the milk here?
for the coconut drink.
Oh, I see. Okay. Wow. Oh, I'm so sorry. And okay, do you remember they had a takoyaki place before, but they don't have it anymore, huh?
So this is different.
Oh.
Deep fried oyster.
Deep fried oyster. but it doesn't look
That's very
Chinese.
Japanese.
It does. Oh, here's another boba shop. Oh, here's Taiwan as well. So, also another Taiwanese boba shop. There are a lot of boba shops from Taiwan here. And, okay, there we go.
So these trees,
Yeah.
there are a lot of
Oh, wow.
like a free market.
Look at this street. It's got market here. It goes all the way down there.
Yes.
Wow, that's incredible. Is this where you buy all your designer things?
Me?
Yeah.
No. Not even my helper.
Oh my god. All right. Oh, here's another boba shop. There's so many boba tea shops. Someone said I saw a handsome man in a uniform. Look, he's looking around now. Oh, how about here? Oh no.
Oh, this is the one we tried.
We did.
Takoyaki. This
Oh.
is the one we tried the takoyaki here.
Yes, we tried this one before. Is that gyoza?
Yes.
錦餃子。
おー錦餃子。へえ。ここもボバティーいっぱいあるよね。
あるね、流行ってんだね。
待ってるね。Okay. So,
Want to try something here?
oh look, this is right. We tried it here, right?
Yeah, we tried here. It's the,
Okay, one moment, guys. So, ここ見てこれたこ焼き。とびっことか。So they have some really interesting takoyaki here. Oh my god, there's another boba shop here. And another one right there.
Look,
Oh.
deep fried stuff.
Oh.
We go with French fries, chips.
Oh, okay.
And
Well,
they
what is
have-
it? Like a sauce or something on it?
Well, they have
Like a-
crab. They have squid.
Squid. Okay.
They have fish.
Fish.
Go with the.
That's
chip.
interesting. Oh no, let's get something to drink first
Yes.
before we die. So here's another drink shop here. But we're looking for like a Hong Kong drink. Is this Hong Kong or is this
No, they all. Taiwanese.
they're all Taiwan?
So the Hong Kong one, we need to go to Cha Chan Tang.
Okay. So maybe it's okay. We can do whatever. We can drink whatever. Get jellyfish. Really? They have really interesting stuff at the 7-Elevens here, you know. They have like dim sum and stuff. So should we get something here? Well, it's like
They have milk tea here.
They do?
Yeah.
Okay, so
So come on.
okay. So we're gonna go here.
So they have milk tea,
Okay.
green milk tea, golden oolong milk tea.
Okay. So I will have the wow. No. What's chewy tea? Oh, the bubble tea. What are you getting?
I'm having the oolong milk tea.
Oolong milk tea. Okay.
You can have ordinary milk tea,
I'll have the
green milk tea,
Okay. I will have the
you can have caramel milk tea, hazelnut milk tea.
hazelnut milk tea. Yes. I don't know. I don't know. There's so much. You know what? I'm just gonna have. Oh, that's just tea. Sorry. Bubble green tea.
Which one?
The bubble green tea. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The chewy tea. Bubble green tea.
Okay.
Yes.
What about sharing?
I think we're just gonna share. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna stand to the side. Where is Satoshi? Sorry, I've lost. Oh, there he is. Hi. Okay, we're gonna get something from here. It's a place called Koi. Yeah, it's a place called Koi Te. And they have bubble teas here. And they also have milk tea as well. No, Satoshi's right here. So we're ordering from here, the tea. Yeah.
Chinese tea?
Yeah. Yes. なんか日本より多いよね。ティーね。はいみたいな感じで。ね。
Most of them are Taiwanese tea.
Yes, most of them are. Yes. But Lawrence said to get the Hong Kong style milk tea, you have to go to like a restaurant, like a cha chan. So we're not gonna go inside a restaurant today. So instead, we're gonna go. We're gonna get the tea here. Tamara says, "Have you been to Hong Kong before?
Yes, 20 years ago, but it's so different now.
How is it different?"
The building and the scenery is different.
The scenery is different. Yeah.
And I don't remember so well because it's just 4 days staying,
Yeah.
and the fourth day was typhoon.
Typhoon.
And
Oh.
one day I went
Yes.
to
Yeah.
Macau,
Yeah.
and one day I went to China,
Okay.
mainland China, Shenzhen.
Okay.
So I only stayed in Hong Kong 1 day.
Right. The last time I was in Hong Kong, how long was I here? Like more than a week, right?
Something like that.
Yeah, I was here
But
for
it
like.
went so fast.
It did. It went so fast. But guys, the last time I was here in Hong Kong, you guys know, right? You know too. I was a little bit sick. I was having panic attacks. But like I said, this time I'm feeling a lot better, and I feel like making sure that your vacation is long, so you have time to relax, is key to having a good time.
Yes.
Yeah.
We do have hospital here.
Right, you do, right. That's what the man says.
I'm only joking.
Yeah, there are hospitals just in case you need them. but everyone, みんながね、サトシがすごいなんか顔がこう
So
Yeah.
we ordered the tea. So
Okay.
we just have to wait. Number 224.
Number 224.
So at the moment it's 217.
Awesome. Okay, so Taku Tuesday says, what do you guys do for a living? Well, Satoshi and I, this is what we do. We make videos for a living. So yeah, this is what we do. How about you? What do you do?
I'm an insurance person.
He's an insurance person.
Boring.
You would think he's a fashion something, right?
Yes.
But yeah, be mindful of measles.
What's that mean?
Right, I heard that like measles are going around again. It's like a disease, illness, like a disease.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah. Look, Lawrence is a supermodel. Says Betty Boo.
Thank you, Betty Boo.
All right, why don't you pose?
Like what?
Like, there we go. Oh. How did you learn English?
Who? Me?
Well, I think all of us. 22. I grew up in Hawaii, which is why I speak English. How about you?
Well, we taught English here, and then I learned most of the English in England.
England.
Yeah.
Okay, right. So
4.
And Satoshi, how did you learn English?
I have-
多分インドの人なんだけどね。
Oh,
新しい人が多い。
I haven't learned English. I cannot speak English well.
Well, he can speak a little English.
I learned in school from middle high school.
Yeah.
No, middle high school and high school for 6 years.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yes. How long have we known each other? Like me and Lawrence or me and Satoshi? Me and Satoshi, we've known each other for 18 years. And Lawrence and I, we've known each other for longer than that, I think. Like 20 years. Yeah. Everyone says you speak English very well.
Thank you very much. I'm trying my best,
Yeah.
but still it's not perfect. I was not perfect, still not well.
But
Shinichi always mad at me.
I do not get mad. I do not get mad at him. I do not. Don't lie.
He always say to me, learn, listen.
Well, no. Well, what I do is because Satoshi gets very frustrated at his English. So I told him, then like maybe study, and I can help him study on his free time. And that's I don't like criticize him for his English. I do not. So, oh my God, I'm a little tired now. Oh, where's he now? Where did he go? Oh, he's in line. Okay. Yeah.
The next number.
What do you think the
新元号. What do you think the 新元号 today? The 令和?
何それ?
令和. The first impression,
Yes.
the kanji character Rei is the same as my aunt. So the very familiar kanji character. And wa is it's same as Showa. It's the wa means the peace. It means peace. So it's good. I
Okay.
think.
So it's Reiwa.
Reiwa.
Oh, I see.
I don't know. They use R or L.
Okay. Like
For me,
something.
it's familiar.
Pradeep Mathur, can I visit Hong Kong without knowing local language? What do you think? Can I visit Hong Kong without knowing the local language?
English is okay.
English is okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mandarin is okay.
Mandarin.
Yes.
Yeah.
Japanese is okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So this is the green tea.
The green tea.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is the oolong milk tea.
The oolong milk tea.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. We're not gonna film this. This is just for you guys because this is Taiwanese. So cheers.
Cheers. Because we're very thirsty.
Yeah, we are. Oh, good. Good. Oh, it's good.
It's oolong.
Yummy. Try it. Hey, Konchan, hey.
Good.
That's all good, right? So everybody said they want us to eat Gai Dan Zai and also egg tart.
Okay, so gai dan dai, or we can do it in Temple Street or here.
Which one's that? Gai Dan Zai? That's waffle.
Egg tart is behind.
Okay.
So we go over inside and try the egg tart.
Let's do egg tart. Yes. We're gonna go. Yeah. Did I hear egg tart?
Yes.
We're going there right
It's
now.
egg tarts.
Egg
It's a
tarts, plural. Okay.
That's good.
Oh, what's that? Oh, thank you.
Ready?
Is it milk tea?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Oh, it's yummy. Oh, it's good. Thank you.
呢個 BKS 奶茶
Excuse me.
DS.
BKS
Okay.
Is this from Taiwan?
Taiwan?
Is it Hong Kong?
Yes.
Taiwan.
Taiwan?
Okay.
But
All right.
the one we try is
Jimmy, we would love to go to Taiwan one day. Oh my god, so much street food here. It's crazy. But there's so many people here as well. See, that's another shop there. What is that? Is that like a herbal thing?
yes.
Okay. 見てここにもハーブの今日のこの Oh, the cold one. Okay.
This one must be very popular.
Right, because there's a lot of people here.
Oh, they do different kind.
Okay, is this like grilled meats or something?
No, this is like cold meat. It's
Cold
like
meat?
cold meat.
Cold meat.
Yeah.
Is it delicious?
Yes.
Okay. Sorry, lady, I photobombed you. One moment. I have to. Okay. Wow.
Look at this.
Look at that. Oh,
So these are the things I'm. Hello.
it's like the grilled calamari.
Yes. And the top bit is what I'm talking about. The cold meat
Oh.
in the stick.
Okay, you just
Yeah.
eat it like that.
Yes.
Oh, it's
It's
good.
slightly marinated.
Oh, that looks delicious.
So that
like
one
the
must be very
octopus.
popular.
I
You have to
see,
wait.
because there's no one here. Okay, so
Wanna try it?
yeah, let's try it. I've never tried
Let me
it
have a
before.
look.
Okay, so Lawrence found a really popular street food stand, and he said usually when there's a line, it means that it's good. So, well, he's gonna check. We're gonna leave it up to him because we don't know what we're eating, right? This is very difficult for us.
The picture is octopus.
The octopus,
So
right?
maybe the octopus. So
Maybe octopus. Hi Betty Boop, would Lawrence consider being a food guide? Well, I'm pretty sure he would love to on his free time. How is it? Not you don't recommend it? What?
Well,
It's expensive.
that's good. No, it's not expensive, but they are some of the intestines.
Oh.
oh.
and then the duck tongue.
Okay, it's a no-go because basically, so sorry, I'm sorry. It's basically intestines or duck tongue, and not too sure about that. Is this clay pot? Check it out, guys. Okay, we're gonna try this on this trip. These are the famous clay pot rice. As you can see, they are cooking, you know, these pots of rice here. Oh yeah. Oh wow.
K-pop rice.
Clay pot rice. Oh my god. I
You can actually try
love
it
this.
here.
Really?
It's cleaner.
Oh right. Okay. You think they will allow us to film?
Yeah.
Because the other place is okay, right? Remember?
We can try
Like-
the other one.
Okay. So これが clay pot rice. Yeah. Alright, so that was clay pot rice. There's so much food here. It's insane. Wow. I think it's gonna take us like 2 days. No, what is it? Oh, what is that thing there? What is that? That thing on the round thing?
You know the white sugar cake you try?
Oh,
There's
oh,
the brown
is it?
sugar cake and the white sugar cake.
Okay.
So, okay, so
Okay, I'm gonna like show you guys what we're looking at right now. Uh-huh.
these
Okay.
are the deep fried dough.
Deep
thing
fried
that-
dough?
Yes.
Okay.
Go with the congee or just eat it like that.
Okay.
So this is like, I mean, in a stick shape. This is like in a bread shape.
Okay.
Slightly sweetened.
Right.
This one is also just like that.
Oh. So we tried the white one
The
before.
white
What-
cake
Yes.
and the brown sugar cake.
brown sugar cake.
Yeah, so the white sugar cake you try, right?
Right.
Do you want to try any of these?
The brown.
The brown one?
I've never tried that one. Yao cha guai, someone said.
油炸鬼 is that one.
Oh, is it? What is
Yeah.
that? Oile so. Oh, oile so.
Only so is this one.
Oh my god, you
Oh,
guys
you do know.
Oh.
Well done.
Wow, you guys know. So, okay.
Do you want to try the orizo?
It's so big, yeah?
I know, but I wish we can have a try. It's only $9.
Sure, okay.
You can have a brown sugar cake and the orizo.
Okay, all right. So Lawrence says he's gonna get these for you guys. We're gonna get that thing there and one of the brown sugar cake over there. Yeah. I gotta say, I think this is like the most we've eaten on the live stream, huh? Yeah. 面白いね。みんなね知ってるね。この名前とか。Yeah. Hey Zara, good to see you. Always good to see you. Like we're trying to get to the egg tart place, but every time we see something else. So hopefully we'll still be able to eat when we get to the egg tart place. Wow, so it's what time is it now? 6 o'clock. Okay, so it's a little past 6 here. And it's still light outside. You see? It kind of looks like that. That's what the sky looks like right now. This street is a little less crowded. It makes you go like, when is Lawrence visiting Japan again? Oh my gosh.
Guys, am I on the screen? Yes.
Yes, you are.
This is so unusual for me to eat so many street food.
Yeah.
For me, street is not like an avenue. I usually
You should just walk past everything, right?
yes. So the two thing here, right?
Okay, so we are going to film right now. We just gotta look for.
Can we do it?
Yeah, sure. One moment, guys. Oh my God, can we? Can we? No one's gonna get mad. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
It's okay.
Okay.
So
Let me put that down. Yo, John, let me put this down.
I'm so full. Where's my drink?
Oh, here.
Oh. Okay, which one do you want to try first?
I think I would like to try this big thing.
The big thing, right? This is called In Chinese, it's called 牛脷酥.
What is it?
牛脷酥,
牛脷酥.
right?
Okay.
So it's I just pull a little bit
Okay.
like that.
So this is just from a random vendor. You can buy this like anywhere.
No, for usually come in a congee.
Congee place.
Yes.
Okay, which is like rice gruel.
Yes.
Oh, it's a little bit sweet. That's quite nice. It's kind of like a breakfast bread, but
It's like breakfast.
mm,
And then it's so nice with congee.
Oh, okay. So it's deep fried. So you know your hands do get a little bit oily, but I like the taste of it. Do you eat it like this too, like snack?
Yes. Sometimes when you're really hungry,
Okay.
it's like a bread, right?
Right. Right.
And you just get it.
It's a big piece of bread though.
So when you're hungry, you have
Yeah.
to eat it.
I mean, check it out, guys. It's like so big.
何にも取ってないんです。
あ、そうなの？
何にも取ってない。
はいはいはい。Yeah. Gina, crunchy, sweet, chewy. Yes.
Yes, you're correct.
はい、最初から何も取ってない。
え、取ってないよ。
あ、そうなんだ。
取ってないよ。
あ、顔とかも？
顔は取ったけど、喋ってる
喋ってるとこは？
パンは全然取ってない。
ああ、そうなんだ、そうなんだ。Okay, okay. All right. Can you hold that for me? Just one
Yeah.
moment? Okay. I'm just gonna. Natalie?
Yes, you see the street. It's getting in the evening, so it's like nice.
Yes.
You get more and more people coming because usually people coming after work.
And it's more crowded like on the weekend, right?
Yeah. So it's food cheaper than in Japan? Not really now.
No.
Oh, thank you, Faye. You love my jacket. My food guy? No, I'm not really. I don't think I can be a food guy.
Yes, you could.
Really?
You could.
Yeah.
You just have to do a little bit research,
Yeah.
like that. But you know the food because you love food,
Yeah.
right?
Oh, I like this machine.
You like this machine?
Yes.
The gimbal. It's called
The
a gimbal.
gimbal.
Machine.
Yeah.
God. So you guys are doing the Costco snacking on the block, I guess.
Yeah.
Oh my God! Get breakfast bao and fresh soy milk.
Yeah, they have soy milk over there.
Oh, Gina says I know the president of Lane Crawford.
Really, Gina? Oh, good. Introduce me, please.
So I hope you guys are enjoying this live stream. We've never eaten so much on a live stream. Kochi. Kochi.
All
Okay.
right. Look, there's so many food stuff along the streets.
You can talk to them. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, you miss Hong Kong, Reno? Have you been? Gina. Oh yes. Yeah. Thank you. Look, wow, look at the people. I stayed at Garden Hotel in Hong Kong about 20 years ago. All right.
Yeah.
The Garden Hotel is still around in North Point, I think. You do know.
Okay. じゃ
All right.
あ、次はこれは彼と食べて。
The place is not brand new. You mean this area? No, it's been going on for a long time
これが終わったら
and has a lot of food and stuff. So many people come here. Yeah.
でこれさっきこっちでこうやってそれやってんじゃないですかね。
Okay.
So,
まだ
next.
取ってないよ、This is not film.
Okay, okay. Can I do this one very quickly?
Filming. It's like a toast.
Yeah, it's a very very busy area,
Very busy.
especially at night, at the weekend. And today is Monday, so when we first arrived, it was okay. Now it's getting dark, so I think the people start coming in. So it's going to be very crowded.
That's it.
Evening snack.
Evening
yeah.
snack.
Well,
Hi.
We started off at late afternoon. Now it's evening. All right. All right.
Okay. Okay, I'll do that.
あ、大丈夫大丈
So Shinichi is filming the close-up
Thank
shot.
you, Anne.
Looking boy, thank you.
Okay, now
Wait, one moment. Okay, now look this side though. You guys have to look this side.
I'm gonna try this. This is called brown sugar cake.
Brown sugar cake.
Yes, and we have white sugar cake and brown sugar cake.
How much is this?
$5.
$5.
So it's kind of like a breakfast. It's not a cold cake. It's not a hot cake. It's kind of cold, right? So obviously it's made of brown sugar. Okay.
How is it? Oh, it's a little bit squishy.
It's very chewy.
It's a little bit squishy.
Squishy.
Oh.
Very simple taste, and yeah, very easy to take.
Brown sugar and the texture is really squishy. It's like a
Chewy.
chewy. 7-Eleven's どら焼きパンケーキ
Really?
Japanese 7-Eleven どら焼きパンケーキ The farmer kind of どら焼きパンケー
Have
キ
you tried the white sugar cake?
No, I haven't.
It's slightly different. I believe the white sugar cake is slightly less chewy. I think, and I think I prefer the white sugar one.
Looks like regular bread or sponge cake,
Yeah.
but the texture
It's
is
a
really
kind of a
different.
breakfast stuff. Very economical breakfast stuff.
The
$5.
sweetness level is not so strong, not
Yeah.
too sweet. It's very
So it's good
pleasant
for
sweetness.
breakfast, right? And it's very good value.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. You want to try?
Yes. じゃあちょっとこれクローズアップ。Okay, hold this for a while.
Very busy.
Talk. Okay.
Busy. Chester, yeah, it's this is not 白糖糕, this is 黃糖糕, brown sugar. They do have white sugar one. Really? I'm not sure. Right.
I like this.
We do. Thank you. Oh, the tea is very good. It's an oolong milk tea. Hi. What?
Somebody said hello.
Hi, Nova. So yes, I think I prefer the I like the white one better. Yeah, I never tried the brown one. Yeah,
Okay, I'm back. I liked it.
you like the brown?
I like both.
But you tried the white one.
I did.
Alright.
Like, I'm used to eating the white one because we have it in Hawaii too.
Is this the same?
It's exactly the same.
Really?
But the brown one, I've never tried it before.
okay.
But I like both. Yeah. I'm very easy to please. I'm not price sensitive.
No. This is
Oh, the cheongfang.
yeah with the goat inside.
Oh, I see. Look. So this is that dough.
The rice roll, but with the
Oh, it disappeared. Oh, it's high tech. It's high tech. Okay. All right. Now we gotta eat egg tart.
okay.
To
Let's
finish
go
it
with
off. Okay. So we just got one more. We're gonna have egg tart.
that. This
サトシ、じゃあこれちょっとライブやってて、ちょっとここだけ一言だけ。最後にエッグタートってちょっと言いたいんで。
あれ
でも
は
そうそう。
Sorry, I don't know how to use this. This area is very popular now, and getting dark. The many people are gathering here. The fun place. It's it's different from Japanese Nomiya street. More not alcohol type area. In Japan, the most of this after work place is alcohol, the beer place. But this place looks like different. Looks different. Oh, there are another big. There are huge. Oh, sorry, I don't know how to use it. There are huge market there. This place is different from izakaya area. It's interesting. Mongkok, yes, this place is Mongkok. Mongkok means crowded corner. I know now, it's very crowded. Yes. Street market. This area is a street market. I love this kind of place. Izakaya is like Cha-cha-ten is looks like izakaya now. Originally Cha-cha-ten opens until lunchtime or the evening, not until sunset time, but now they open until late, becoming more the dinner place, I heard. But is there but many restaurants have alcohol, so they can drink everywhere, I think.
ここだよ。
はい。
行ったと思います。
Oh, I see. Well, they are buying egg tart here. Where? Sorry, I was walking alone. Oh, you already bought it. Oh,
This one, oh my god. You have to try because I tried it.
okay.
You need to have a real experience. So I'm gonna offer this one. And what is the name of it?
This is called Oishi Bank.
Okay. So we got some egg tarts from this bakery here. And no, they're here. They're here. Yeah, and we got the egg tarts here. And one moment, guys. I have like only two hands. Okay. Here, whoops, wrong. Okay. All right, you understand there? Ours. Oh no, you can actually. All right.
This is $6. $6. Yeah. Usually they are about $5 to $8. Small, right?
Yep. Sorry, car. Okay. Oh, you know what? I'm just gonna. Okay, can we start again? Okay.
Okay, this is $6.
ちょっと最初からスタートしてごめん。
So this is egg tart. $6. Reasonable price.
Pastry taste.
Pastry taste. Beautiful.
And it's still warm, right?
Still warm. Looks like cheese now. What is it?
It's different.
Egg tart.
This is essential for Hong Kong people.
Oh, stop smell. Egg.
Sorry, guys. I know the sound, right? Yeah. No, nothing. No, because audio is very low on the iPhone. Sorry. So they're eating egg tarts right now.
Jiggling.
The famous egg tarts. We'll show you a close-up of the egg tart in a bit. I think we might buy another egg tart just to share with you guys, okay? So if you guys can be patient for just 1 minute. So sorry. You like it? Yeah? This is the first time Satoshi's having a egg tart in Hong Kong.
Outside, it's really
Ah, good. Okay.
I haven't eaten egg tart before. You never tried egg tart? This is my first time. This is my first time to eat egg tart. Never tried. Do you have egg tart in Japan?
We do, but not the exact same one. It's not like this one.
I think
Yeah.
egg tart in Hawaii.
Yes, they do.
I haven't eaten.
Yeah, Satoshi's never had.
But I think you should try in Hong Kong. This Hong Kong is amazing.
Yeah.
New discovery for me. New discovery.
OK。はい。じゃあちょっとクロースアップだね。サトシクロースアップと。Wait now. One moment, guys. One moment. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Yes. Sorry. Yeah, we're filming at the same time, so it's quite difficult. So I'm gonna. 大丈夫？本当？これは大丈夫これ。So we need to, yeah. See right now, we gotta get close-ups like this. Satoshi's getting close-up right now. That way you guys can see the food up close on our videos. Yeah. So this is the pastry one.
Pastry base.
This is the Hong
And-
Kong style,
Yes, and then
Okay.
we have the cookie base
which is
and also
yeah.
Hong Kong style, but the pastry base is the original.
Oh, okay.
So I personally like the pastry base
Mm.
better, but some people like the cookie base.
I see. And that's the Macau style, or
No, both Hong Kong style.
Oh, both Hong
The
Kong style.
Original is pastry base, but then somebody just change it to another way of making it, like a cookie base.
Okay. Okay. I
So-
see. Okay. Well, なんかこう持つここOh, it's so soft. Okay. One moment. We need to get some of the close-up shots like
Very
this
cold.
one.
Drink.
どうこう Behind the scenes. Is it laggy? Uh-oh. チャンさん、美味しいんですよ、これ。このエッグタルト、この香港のエッグタルト、これあったかいんですよ。So guys, this is still warm, and it is so soft. It's so flaky. Look, the
Yeah,
inside is
pastry base
so
is the
soft.
best. Cookie base
Right?
sounds good too. Yeah, that's right. Both are good actually, but I like the pastry base.
Oh my god. Here.
What?
It's so good. ユーリさん、本物のエッグタルトね、すごく美味しいんですよ。Right? The real egg tart is so different. It's so smooth.
Yes.
どうだった美味しかった美味しかった
美味しかった
サトシさんどうだった
美味しかった。
本当
初めて食べたけど、すごいなんか卵の風味がね、なんか別に卵臭いわけじゃなくて、美味しいシュークリームの中がもっとエッギーになって固まった感じ。でもね、食感はそんな感じなの。
It's really good. And you know what? I was waiting here, for Lawrence to buy the egg tart, and I noticed there's so much more food here.
They have this one is like a
It's crazy.
modern cake shop,
Okay.
and opposite the street they have the local cake shop,
The local cake shop.
which sell the same thing more or less.
Okay.
So yes, this area has so many food.
Wow.
Place.
And that's like the open market over there.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Can we walk through the open market?
Yes.
And then maybe we'll end the video over there, like the
Sure.
Video,
But
okay.
You have to be careful.
Yeah.
with
Okay.
the
You can
traffic.
finish it.
No, I'm so
Are you sure?
You
You
want
can
to
finish it.
I'm full.
Okay. So we're gonna walk through that market over there.
After we
Okay.
go home,
Uh,
exercise. After
well-
this trip, what?
Hi SoCal, what about trying something exotic and authentic to Hong Kong that isn't a pastry? Well, we already did actually. We started off with Stinky Tofu. So maybe watch this video in the beginning. And you're gonna see the entire video on Tabi Eats when it's edited. So yeah. Okay.
So we're gonna cross the street.
Yeah, because that looks really interesting.
Yes.
Yeah, and then I think we'll end the video somewhere over there. Have we been here before? This street?
Not down there.
Not
We've
this
been
one.
here.
Mhm.
So we go over there.
There are requesting beef organs.
Yes, you should try the beef organ.
You know what? We'll try the beef organs maybe another day. All right. We'll try it for you guys. Lauren said it's good.
Beef organ is good, right? I'm trying my best to ask them to try it, but
All
they
right.
will say
All right. All right. Next video we will. Fine. Fine. Okay. Okay. We're gonna cross the street. In Hong Kong, you do have to watch the cars because they are fast. Yeah, so just gotta watch both ways. Oh. Oh my goodness. So this is like an open air market. Wow. Now, Satoshi and I, we both love. Actually, we should film this too. So, would you like to maybe hold it and you can like talk? If you can hear your voice, you can show like this. I'm gonna,
Okay.
film this with Satoshi. Here.
right, this is the street market. There's just all the vegetables they're selling, and usually they will reduce the price later in the night.
All right, guys. So we had so much street food today. I am stuffed, as always.
Yeah,
We're
look at
always so
this.
full by the end of a video. Well, right now,
So
we're gonna finish off this tour. By walking
Fruits
around
here,
this
even though it's
beautiful,
not my
street
favorite.
market. There's a lot of fresh produce here, and it's really beautiful.
Yes.
We both like strolling
Yeah.
around these markets, right?
I
When
like
we
this
visit.
kind of market.
Yeah. Well, anyway, thank you. No. それはじゃあ Okay.
Look,
Yeah.
look at all these people, all the stuff.
So, is that dried fish?
So there's dry food here as well. And they have that's it's like bun. Bun.
A bun.
Yes.
There's some square thing.
Pork in there.
What's that one? Is it the same like a cake?
That's cake. The sweet thing. But you have to steam it.
Oh, so interesting.
Yeah, they also have dim sum.
Oh, they have chicken feet as well.
Yes.
Oh, that looks good too. The rice.
Oh, sticky rice.
Sticky rice. Oh wow. Looks so good. Okay.
Yes, we'll be doing a lot of streaming, I'm sure. This is only the second day here. Look. Traditional dim sum breakfast, yeah, they should. Especially very early in the morning.
Thank you. Okay. Go inside. All right, guys. So the weather it's very nice. It's not too hot, not too cold at all. And right now we're walking through this market, and yeah, we're just gonna go to the end of the street. We actually found some dragon fruit yesterday. I bought 3. It's very cheap. $12.50 Hong Kong dollars, which is, I can't remember how much it was, but it's way cheaper than what you buy it in Japan. Obviously, Lawrence hasn't tried any of that because he hates fruits.
First of all, they're very cheap.
Oh my god. First of all, they're very cheap. But I think the main reason is just that you just don't like fruits.
You're right.
Is this the dessert place we came to before, or is it
No,
not? Okay, it just looks like that.
Yeah. Do you know this kind of noodle place?
No.
Right? So you can order the different type of stuff,
Okay.
and then you order the noodles,
Yep.
and then you can choose whatever you want to. Add a
Oh.
live fish ball.
Okay.
things.
Really? In Hong Kong, what I like, well, I like many things about Hong Kong, but one is I like the variety of noodles.
Yes.
You can, like there's so many different noodles. I just
But
love
you
noodles.
see, in this street, there's so many foods.
There are.
So many choices.
Yes, there are. Okay, all right. So what we're going to do now is we are going to end that video. So if you can just give us a couple of minutes to finish it. So more back behind the scenes. Okay, so we're gonna finish the video. こっちのビデオ終わらせる. Okay, so じゃあサトシがOh, can you hold this? Like this? Okay.
Bye bye, Esther.
Bye, Esther.
Bye bye. Bye bye. See you next
Well,
time.
guys, we had a. Alright, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed this epic food tour with us. And yeah, okay. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this food tour. Thank you so much for coming along.
Bye,
as
Taka.
always, let us know what your favorites were.
Yeah, we'll be
What
back
were our
soon
favorites?
anyway.
What
There will
did
be a
you
lot of
like?
streaming.
You like really? You
Hey,
like the
Sting.
That's
Bye-bye.
amazing. You actually chose something sweet. Well, my favorite one.
This is the
was
second
curry
day.
and siu mai
So
balls.
they're gonna stay here for the
was
whole
my
week.
favorite. Of
So
course.
we're gonna
Big
filming.
time. Second favorite.
We're gonna do a lot of
I
streaming.
don't know. It's
I'm
really
sure.
hard for me to choose. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys.
Okay.
Until
Thank you,
we meet
Joyce.
again,
Nice to see
take care,
you.
And mahalo. Aloha.
Bye bye. Thank you. Really good. We shall continue.
So did the low battery come out?
Yes,
It did.
20
Okay. Low battery? Okay.
The spicy thing.
Oh, from the mapo tofu or something. Okay. All right, guys. So it is time for us to say goodbye because my battery's running low.
Bye bye.
Actually, let me think about that. Can you hold this very quickly? One moment, guys. Actually, no. Don't worry. One moment, give me a second. So that's the spicy thing.
Yeah, somebody's cooking spicy.
Really? Okay, can
See
you?
how spicy it is.
Guys, don't go away. I'm going to continue this tour. I have spare batteries. Just give me a moment. We're done with the other video. One moment. Can you hold this? Yeah, okay.
Hi. Hi. Can you see my face? Hi. Shinichi is preparing another extra battery. He will do this live stream for 3 hours.
No, I'm not. I'm not Drew.
Yes, spare battery. He is admiring Tokyo Drew, so he will do his live stream for maybe 4 hours.
What are you talking about? No. The reason why, one moment. The reason why I want to continue is because this area is so interesting. And Lawrence is gonna take us to this really interesting place, which is why I have to show it to you guys. And I have to get Satoshi's reaction because it's gonna be funny. Yeah, this is not Tabi Eats, so I can show whatever. Right?
You have to be careful.
Yes, I know. Don't worry. I will not film the prostitutes. Don't worry. Yes, there are prostitutes in this area, but don't worry. I'm not gonna take the prostitutes. Okay. All right. So, Mr. Super Guide of Hong Kong.
So we were going there now,
Yes.
but it's gonna be a walk. So
Okay.
you're keeping the live stream like 3 hours.
No, like 2 hours.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
But the
Okay.
is a little bit far.
It's
Is
a
it
little
far?
bit far.
Like how far?
Yeah. Can we just come back or something like that? Or continue? Okay.
Like what? Where are we gonna go? Like.
We're gonna go to the Temple Street, right?
Mhm.
So
Yeah, no problem. No problem. I'll just like talk. Okay, so welcome to part 2 of this epic Hong Kong live stream. And fortunately, we got Lawrence to guide us here. I will be totally lost. And oh my god, there's more food here. What is this?
This is white and brown sugar.
Oh, it's like the same kind. Oh,
Oh, 白糖糕.
oh, we got samples here.
The white sugar cake.
The white sugar.
sugar cake.
White sugar cake.
真係
出名㗎，佢又唔
Mmm.
酸㗎，爽彈㗎，仲有
Oh,
個
I got some. Thank you.
Sesame.
Sesame.
famous Hong Kong
They have the
From Japan.
Japan，咦？Japan 啊，
我唔係，佢哋兩個係。
係咯，但係佢哋都好識聽嘅喎，
No，佢哋唔識聽嘅。
識聽啊！但係我以為佢識聽喎。
Oh, thank you. I just had.
多謝多謝多謝。
Mmm.
Very good.
That's delicious.
Good.
Wow.
They have
Yummy.
This.
個24，
What is that?
嗱英國幾
So we're at this place here.
英國幾錢貴？如果呢個
Oh, what is this?
呢幾錢貴？
So, this kind of jelly?
Very good. Drink 都好㗎，佢哋俾啲冬瓜水啊，佢哋飲。
What is this?
佢仲有冬瓜㗎，
This is like another kind of cake, but
誒俾冬瓜係人味佢飲。
What is it made of? Jelly?
yes.
Jelly.
係廿四。
Oh, that's a sesame roll.
The sesame roll.
You know the sesame dessert?
Yes.
Made in a roll.
Really? So it's
Yeah,
not
It's like a
sushi?
pancake roll.
Oh my god. Okay.
That's very interesting. 哎，你唔好客氣啊！
唔係唔緊要㗎。
Oh my god. Thank you. She's
嗱，呢個冬瓜係成日食㗎啦。
Oh, the winter melon.
Bye, Anne Helen. Okay, we're gonna try some winter melon juice.
去濕啊利尿啊。
This is good for you?
應該佢哋中意啊，
Okay.
Especially in humid weather.
Humid weather. Okay.
因為天氣咧太過濕啊，潮濕啊。嗱，呢個
Oh.
你冇
Oh.
客氣啦。
呢個
Naka.
係人未好飲㗎，試下。呢個咧通便㗎。
What is this one? It's soy milk?
Almond. This is almond. Almond.
Oh, almond. Almond. Okay,
好
almond.
飲㗎，好飲㗎。你問啦，誒唔好就係塔巴酸啊，呢個好飲。
哦
呢個係烏梅，呢個
What is this one?
It's plum.
Plum.
啊酸㗎嚇，講明啊，呢個係乜都好飲
So it's a
㗎。
bit sour.
Bit sour. Okay.
如果唔試飲，
So this is plum.
你同佢講啦，有芝麻露啊。
哦
芝麻露咧同埋紅豆沙都正，呢糖水味咧 OK 嘅。
What happened? What did she say?
There's many choices.
Many choices. It's 12
Just
for
the three
one.
of them.
So
No,
it's
each 12,
each 12.
like that.
Oh, okay.
You want to try?
Yeah, it's not bad. Can I buy the plum one? Can I drink it later? Will it
Yeah, yeah.
spoil? It won't spoil?
係咪啊？係咪正？飲乜都會飲。
Like, does it have to be refrigerated? Oh.
信我咧，佢中意飲紅豆沙、綠豆沙嘅。
But, you can bring it home and
Yeah.
put it in the refrigerator.
Okay, alright.
That can be kept.
Okay, サトシはなんか飲む？ウィンターメロン？なんか体にすごいいいんだって。朝とか飲むとすごいいいよ
So
ね。
one winter one and one is the plum one.
Yes, please. Yes.
同埋咧，佢哋
We're gonna get one plum and one winter melon because it was really good.
this way
Oh,
What happened? That's the
我係
brand?
街嚟㗎，我
Is this the
Really?
brand?
我真係嘅 H 國街。
no, this is
同埋咧我係
recommended by the Hong Kong
你
tourism.
同佢講話。
Oh, really?
我係 H 國街同埋我係街嚟㗎，我唔會呃佢嘅。
Okay.
我係帶團嘅。
She's part-time tour guide.
You're the part-time tour guide.
我係 part time tour 㗎。
Really?
大 shop 咧，this very
Very good.
即係好成功啦。
可唔可以？
所以咧，我
Okay.
呢度又做埋咯。
Very good for your body,
係
right?
啊，我禮拜至帶完啲國內團。但係我唔明啊，Japanese I can't speak very good。
Oh, no, well, no, you're a good salesperson.
So what do you want? 一啲冬瓜。
Yeah, okay. This is interesting, isn't it?
呢係乜嘢？
冬瓜仔。
So here's some things that they're selling.
呢個
They're selling the some of the rice cake, the brown one we tried, and this is made of sesame.
叫做貪。
There's some other things here as well. That's nice. And we're getting like a couple of these drinks. Really?
Yeah.
So this is like just a black sesame.
貓朋友嚟㗎，帶佢嚟玩。
Wow. Interesting, isn't it? Hi guys.
啱啱啊？
Yeah, Julian. Yeah, kind of looks like tamales, huh? To me, they look like norimaki sushi. I thought they were sushi.
得㗎啦。
Thank you. Doce, right?
Thank you，多謝。
Doce.
Thank you.
Doce, thank you. Thank you. Bye.
一個禮拜後。拜拜，拜拜。See you.
See you again.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye. So she was nice.
So
Yes.
this is the place.
This is the place.
We love Hong Kong.
Oh my god, look, these are like baby mangoes.
Yes.
They're like baby for just 10. That 140 yen for all these mangoes? Wow. Isn't that
You love mango.
cheap? Oh, Satoshi. Look, this is like calamansi, right? This is like
$10.
yuzu みたいな.
Lemon, $10.
Whoa.
$12.
Eh, that's $10 for this.
Oh.
This basket. Now $10 is about how much? It's 140 yen, so it's like $1.20. Yeah. Okay, Esther. Thank you so much, Esther, for watching. Thank you.
Bye bye, Esther. Yes.
This is-
Mong Kok.
Wow.
Right? So Mong Kok is generally
This is where we should be buying the fruits.
value.
Wow, it's so much cheaper here.
Everything, yeah.
Because we're staying in the central area. It's a lot more expensive than this. 見てこれ、15だって。こっちいくら？ Wow. 200 something yen for the tomatoes. That's amazing. Look at these star fruits. Humongous. The mangoes are so
These
cheap.
are the more local cake shop.
Okay.
They also have egg tart.
Egg tarts over there.
Yeah.
Oh.
Another
Oh, they have durian. Is that 25 for the whole durian? It
Per
can't
pound.
be. Oh, per pound. Okay. I was like, yeah, it can't be 25. Okay. So as you can see, we're in a really, really local part of town. And oh my god, these mangoes. すごくない？
でも700円ぐらいする。あ、3つで。
3つで700円だよ。え？これタイのマンゴーだよ、これ。
そうだね。
いやこれねこのマンゴー Sorry, we're both like huge fans of mango, and they're just incredibly inexpensive. For three. They're so big. Oh my god. So cheap.
これは綺麗。
綺麗だよ。これ多分ねタイのやつ
That's
で。
not mango.
No,
that's
it is mango.
mango.
Yes. You don't know fruit.
Yes.
How much is the mangosteen? This 20. Oh,
23
for how many?
Per
One?
pound.
per pound.
So it's $23 per pound.
$23 means
23 Hong Kong dollars per pound for the mangosteen.
about 400 yen per pound.
Yeah. Okay, but this is a very inexpensive fruit shop. I'm like so happy right now.
Do we have knife at home?
Here's knife. Yeah, I cut today the stuff, the fruit. So I think Satoshi's gonna buy mangoes because he loves mangoes, and mangoes are so expensive in Japan. It's like crazy. Oh, thank you, Cheetah. Oh yeah, I think he's gonna buy the mangoes. I wonder.
So this is
Super
like
okay,
700 yen.
700 yen.
$2, right?
Okay, that's really cheap. Yeah, the fruits are crazy cheap here. Wow. Yeah, mangoes are expensive in Japan. So, how are you guys doing? Now I can read your comments. So sorry. Taco Tuesday, have you guys been to Thailand? Yes, we have. You know, I used to go to Thailand every year or like 2-3 times a year before. But I haven't been to Thailand in a while. But I love Thailand. And Riano is more cheaper in the Philippines. I know. And that's why we have to go to the Philippines too. How are you, Kimberly? I'm having a blast. I am. You know, when we're filming, you know, we have to concentrate on the filming. So I'm so sorry that I couldn't concentrate on the messages. Oh my God, these grapes. Sorry, the fruits are so cheap here. Wow. But we're finished filming for the day. So, yeah, I can concentrate on chatting with you guys. Kowloon City, lots of tasty food. Okay, well, is this Kowloon City?
No, this is Mongkok,
Okay.
not Kowloon City. Mongkok.
Oh, okay, because someone said Kowloon City has lots of good
Yes.
food.
Kowloon Peninsula has lots of cheap food.
Peninsula.
Peninsula. Kowloon.
Oh, thank you, Aunt Helen. I will. I'll buy a beer for Satoshi. Thank you. Thank you. Aunt Helen, she said buy a beer for Satoshi.
Oh, thank you very much.
Thank you so
very
much.
Thank you, Helen. Helen, right?
Yes.
I will.
Okay. All right. So let's continue.
So we're gonna go to Temple.
Yes. So now we're walking over to Temple Street, the center of excitement, where Lawrence hangs out on the weekends. I'm kidding. Oh, what is this? Is this like a herbal?
tea.
Okay.
But it's not bitter.
It's not bitter, really. You know, another thing I like about Hong Kong is that they have these herb shops and they sell like herbal drinks. The one we had today was like incredibly bitter, but I think it gave me energy,
Yes.
which is why I'm like energetic at the moment.
Really.
Yes, I mean look at me. Yeah, but it tasted horrible. Mu Gai is Temple Street.
That's right.
The name,
Gina, you're correct.
what does that mean?
The name of the Chinese pronunciation of the name.
Oh,
Oh God, somebody's.
what's happening? Uh-oh, something's happening. Are they fighting?
Yes. So when I get out, I think. Yeah,
Okay. Okay, there are a couple of people in a heated argument, so we'll walk past here. Film it? No.
No, I think that's.
No. They scare me. I get scared of fights. No, I think it's ended already. The fight has ended. Here we go. Look at this incredible line for this street stall here. Food stall. All of this is street food. Well, except that middle one, which is a dental surgeon.
Yes.
Right?
And after that, you get toothpaste. They can go and do
It's interesting, right? Oh my gosh. So obviously we're not going to have a proper dinner today because we've been snacking this whole time. But maybe later on we'll get congee or something, huh? Kimberly, thank you. Thank you so much, Kimberly. I appreciate it. Oh, herbal tea here as well. Here's another herbal tea shop. Herbal tea. Love those so much. And this is that, oh my god, we're here in this really busy street again with all the boba tea shops and all the snacks. Oh wow. I'm actually getting used to the crowds. So sorry about the shaky camera. I'm not using my gimbal anymore. Here's a bakery. And I'm still looking at food. It's incredible. Oops. So guys, how many of you guys have been to Hong Kong before? This is my 5th time personally. Joyce, I know, congee, perfect, right? To end like to eat for like a light supper. Congee is perfect. Thank you, Gina. You've been here once, Trevor. How did you like it? Did you enjoy it? Thank you, Ramsey Silent. You're amazing. 4 times. Tomorrow, only to the airport. I came to fix my broken personality. Really? Oh, there's a pizza shop here. One says Eva. Okay, 33 years ago. Well, 33 years ago compared to now, Hong Kong's very different, It's completely different. Like Satoshi came here 20 years ago, and he's so surprised how much it has changed. There are more street food here. Oh, 4 times, Rihanna? So, you like it? Oh, why? You live here? Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Well, we've been loving the weather. We just arrived yesterday. But the weather is great. It's not hot, it's not cold. Oh, I smell the stinky tofu again. Oh, hey. Okay, here we go. Out of the crowd. But we gotta get into more crowds. Wow, does it look like there's more people now than before? Oh, I see. Shogun. Guess what? To me, it's more crowded than Tokyo, to be honest with you. However, Harajuku, Takeshita Dori is a lot more crowded, I think. But I don't know, it seems like everywhere I go in Hong Kong, it seems to be just really, really crowded. Right, Tomorrow? I feel like the sidewalks are narrower. Like this place is not that bad, but there's some places where the sidewalks are so narrow, yet there are like insane amounts of people. It's really difficult to walk. $22 years ago, huh? Sweetie loves pastels. Yeah, it's changed a lot. Julian, right now Tokyo's worse. I guess so in certain parts, because it's Sakura season. Definitely like Harajuku, the Takeshita Dori part is super, super crazy. So this is Nathan Road? Nathan Road. So this is like the main street of the Kowloon side. And which way is the ferry terminal? Oh, okay. I'm always so lost. So down this way is a ferry terminal where you can catch the ferry to Hong Kong Island. Yes, and you are so right. Hong Kong is getting more expensive as the years go by. It is incredibly expensive. Like Satoshi and I, we feel that everything is 30% more expensive here than Tokyo. Yeah, hi Mindy's mom. Welcome to Hong Kong. Hi Mindy's mom. Oh my god, you scared me.
Hello, Minnie's mom.
I thought you were a stranger. I was like, oh my god, a stranger's touching my backpack. Hey, looks like a London bus. Yeah. So Mindy's mom just got here. So we're here at Lawrence.
Hello, my friend, sister.
Wow. Wow.
Wow, Gina, you do know Hong Kong. She knows everywhere.
Who, Gina?
Gina.
Really? Really? Wow. Oh, I remember. Yep, still Japan is cheaper for food, especially in supermarkets. So true. Hong Kong is way more expensive. Hi Fun, hi brothers.
Yes, we've been eating non-stop since yesterday,
Non-stop.
actually.
It's so true. It's so true. Okay, so
We're crossing the road, you better be careful, right?
okay, yes.
Where's Satoshi?
He's over there.
Oh, I have to watch him before. It's
Yes.
easy to get lost.
So right now we are walking to Temple Street, and yeah, that's where the famous night market is. So that's where we're headed to. Check out these crazy neon signs. Uh-oh. Whoops. Now here's another thing. I feel in Japan, even though there are crowds, it's not as dangerous. I feel like in Hong Kong, there are like, the cars are faster. There are like carts. Like if you're in their way, it's just kind of dangerous. Well, here's a Hong Kong McDonald's. Miyazaki style Nanban burger だって。Kanazawa style black curry pork cutlet burger. Interesting, it's Japanese. Hey. These are the buses of Hong Kong. These are the double-decker buses. These are the regular city buses. The buses are quite comfortable and clean. All the famous trams, the double-decker trams, are found only on Hong Kong Island. But we're on Kowloon right now, so you won't be seeing any of the trams today. So in another day, we'll do a live stream from on top of the tram. That should be fun, huh? Oh, gosh. Lady Luck, yes, you're gonna love the night market. I love the night market area. It's so fun and festive. Yes, Jean is asking.
For drink.
Oh,
I can be at Soho by 8, but it's already 7 p.m.
okay. I think. Well, I don't know. What time do you think will be? Right now, Jean's messaging us right now, and can you tell her I'm in shorts as well? Because I don't want her to like say meet us at a hotel bar or something, because I'm not dressed for a hotel bar.
So, what kind of drink is looking for?
I don't know, like a beer or something.
No, that's okay.
No, I don't feel comfortable in shorts in a hotel bar.
Not hotel, but bar.
Oh, like a regular bar is okay, yeah. Yeah, we're gonna be meeting up with Jean J later on for drinks. Thank you so much, Anne Helen. How about some ice cream?
That sounds a good idea, actually.
All right, fine. We'll do ice cream as well.
It's a very good idea.
It's a good idea.
Yeah, we haven't had ice cream yet.
That's true.
There's a local ice cream.
Really?
You know, the one that you saw at 7-Eleven.
Oh, okay. All right. We're gonna do that. All right, we're in the way. Okay. Okay.
So let's say 8:30.
8:30.
Because the look at there, and
Yeah.
then there are a lot of things to see.
Okay.
So, and we have to go back to Central.
Hey Robert. What's yeah, sure.
Look for an MTR station.
Okay, Robert, I don't drink coffee. Sorry, but I will drink some good tea for you. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Yes, Mindy's mom says hi, Satoshi.
Hi. I saw your Instagram. You are with Eric.
Yes. Are you did you have a good time with Eric Surf 6? Yeah. I know I'm in shorts today. I'm in shorts. I didn't know what to wear. It's kind of like it's not cold, but it's not hot. Sometimes it's warm. And so I'm wearing shorts today. So I do not feel comfortable in a hotel bar. Thank you, Kimberly. Thank you, Litzofer. Yes, we had a good flight. Unfortunately, this way? Okay. That way. Unfortunately, the food on the airplane was not that good. Yeah. How warm is it in Tokyo now? I'll be there next week. When we left Tokyo, it was kind of cold. It was about like 9 degrees, so not too warm. But I'm not sure what the temperature is like right now. Irina, I love shorts. You know, I'm from Hawaii, so shorts and slippers, sandals, best for me. T-shirt. Aloha shirt for Lawrence.
I love leather.
You love leather. Lawrence loves leather. Christopher, yes, we'll be back in Tokyo. We'll be back by the 10th. We'll be back on the 8th, actually. Everyone's laughing. Ha ha ha, Lawrence.
Yes, I'm a leather guy.
You're a leather guy. Leather guy. What about handcuffs?
Yes.
You like handcuffs? So he likes leather and handcuffs. You guys know now. Oh. Hi Eva, you'll be in Tokyo for 4 weeks? Welcome to Tokyo. Here are some like side streets here, but we're not gonna go down there.
No, we go that way.
Oh, we go this way? Okay.
We're entering a little
Okay, so Lawrence says we're gonna enter a darker area. Now, Lawrence lives in a really high-end place in Hong Kong. He lives in a place called Mid-Levels, and that's kind of like it's up on the hill on central Hong Kong Island. Thank you, Chester. And he doesn't come on this side too much, but I like experiencing this kind of local atmosphere. It is noisy. What's this? It's like Japanese stuff here.
Very cheap.
It's a Japanese store. Oh, it's a Japanese store here. Obviously, we're not gonna buy anything from here. Yeah, we don't have any of these. These are Chinese ones. Yeah, we don't have the flavors. Oh, is that 2 for 13.5?
Yes.
It's quite cheap.
The big one.
Oh,
Yeah,
wow. Okay. So this place called the Jason's pineapple cake. That's a nice supermarket. Oh, it's a nice supermarket. Oh, so okay. So here's a look at Nathan Street. Okay, and on to Temple Street. So Nasha, Nasha Bra, did you see something naughty again? So today we woke up. If you've been following me on my Instagram, then you've probably seen the breakfast we had. It was amazing. We had some traditional Hong Kong breakfast, and we took the Star Ferry across the harbor. That was nice. And today we took a stroll around Kowloon Park, which was nice too. And then we filmed the street food for you guys. Oh. All right. Okay, Mindy's mom. Very famous. So what do they have here? Okay.
They have this steam egg
Oh, that looks so good.
and the milk cold and hot.
Oh, this looks so good. So this is like steamed milk,
Yes, egg.
steamed egg, like a dessert.
Yeah, you can have it like cold. This is cold, right? And they have it hot.
Oh, I have to try this. Doesn't that look good?
Actually, because it's very famous.
Okay, all right. So we are gonna come back here on a different day to have that dessert there. Eva, we did not go to the Walk of Fame yet to see Bruce Lee. We will.
Maybe we should. Yeah.
We should. We will though, because Satoshi really wants to see the lights over there. Look at these apartment buildings. Isn't that a cool view? Like that street view right there. Interesting, right? Everything looks so different from Tokyo. It's just so interesting. There's so much food. All right. I think we're almost at Temple Street. Oh. We're looking at more food.
This is what we had yesterday.
Oh, is this the same
chicken.
restaurant?
No,
No.
but they just.
Oh.
That one's better.
So this is a place where it's very famous for chicken. Oh, sweet and sour pork.
They have the
That's a
squid.
calamari. Oh, wonderful. Okay, so okay. Okay, darker area. So we're walking to Temple Street, the place where they have the night market. And the first time I came here, I was just amazed at this area because it was pretty insane. Is this where we came to eat the clay pot rice? Oh, this is the bubble waffles, the Hong Kong waffles. Ah,
I think we need to come back.
we do, huh? Because there's so much food here. Did you hear that? So Lauren says we're gonna come back here to make another video for you guys because there's so much food. Those Hong Kong waffles are a must. What is that?
You know,
What is that?
Dorian today.
It's durian.
You know, the fruit.
Oh, right.
Moon cake. Dorian.
Really? So there is a durian specialty store. Durian ice cream? Oh, I don't want durian. Oh, thank you, Minzy's mom. You're so kind. Look, for this marketplace now. This is all durian?
Yes.
All durian. So this is all durian here.
Yeah, moon cake.
Mooncake. Do you like durian?
No.
Okay, so Lawrence doesn't like durian. My God. Well, so if we're gonna come back
That's the
here,
cafe, the karaoke.
oh my God. Okay, so since we're gonna come back here, right?
Yeah.
We should try the durian in another video because it's very.
You like durian?
Because he wants to try durian.
I have
So-
no
Do you guys want to
idea
see
why
Satoshi
they
try
don't
durian?
like durian. You do?
If you guys
So just
do,
like
we'll
durian?
come back here
it's
to make a
He
video
doesn't like durian, but I don't know why.
with
It's
Satoshi
a
eating
very
durian and the
tasty
other
fruit.
snacks here.
But it smells.
Yeah?
It just
Okay.
smells.
So everybody said, please make a video. We have to come back here and have durian because everyone wants to see.
My face when I eat durian is very normal. Nothing special.
Do they have it in
Please
Japan?
remember.
But it's not the same.
Not the
I
same.
think it's
Maybe
not
not
as
the same.
fresh.
Okay, but is
Yeah.
it expensive?
Very,
Very expensive.
very expensive
So
in
can you
Japan.
usually get it in the supermarket?
No.
So
No,
you can only get
no.
it in.
Only at the whole thing,
Okay.
whole fruits at the special supermarket.
What about
Special
those
fruit shop.
unshelled one? You know, that's like just
We
Okay.
don't have unshelled one.
So we are definitely gonna go come back here, okay? So that's for a different video because this video has been pretty long. Okay, so you can explain to him what he's looking at here because it's
Okay.
quite interesting. Okay, now I'm not going to actually I'll film this from like far. So we are at this street here and it's really interesting, but you see fruits are sold here. And if you guys can see like behind the fruit stands, I don't know, like sorry, I just want to make sure they don't suspect I'm filming. That's the durian shop there. And anyway, yeah, there is like a, okay, I think they know that I was trying to film. But on my right, okay, there's a karaoke bar. And it's where old people go and sing karaoke. And apparently this is like a old culture. It's really hard to explain, but there's a lot of them around this area. And there are regular customers that go there. I can't explain it well, but it's really interesting. And this is also the place, of course you see a lot of food places as well, but you also see, you know, women of the night here. Is this a clay pot restaurant? Okay, so this is a great clay pot restaurant. So I hope we come back
we sat
here.
over there before.
Oh, I loved it. I loved it. We're gonna come back here to film. Gina, no, not that. But you know, just on the street. But they don't look like how you would expect them to look like. So they look like my mother's friends. So that was kind of shocking. But you know, it's something I wouldn't have known unless Lawrence pointed it out to me the last time I was here. And it's something, you know, that I can't really talk about on Tabi Eats, which is why I talk about that here. Yeah, like I would never like film this for. Look. You see all the karaoke bars? こう見えるでしょ、こう横に。これがこういう。そう。Yeah. So, Lawrence is giving Satoshi a tour of these karaoke bars, like on the right and the left of me, because I can't film it, because the lady saw me with my phone, and I could see that, you know, she's pointing to me, and she was gonna walk over, and I pretended I was filming the durian store instead. So, so I know that, you know, it's not good to film that. Yeah, plus Lawrence warned me. Yeah, this is a place that, you know, filming is kind of discouraged. I'm like on the right and left of me, and there are like, you know, things like socks, they're selling t-shirts, but they're also selling like soft porn. So yeah, so I'm just gonna wait until they catch up with me. Yeah, but yes, so this is Temple Street. And this is the night market. Is this Temple Street? I don't know. Maybe it's not. I don't know. Thank you, Linda. I will be careful. So, yes.
I think
Okay.
it's a specialty from a special province in China.
Okay.
They do it's Chinese food but different.
Different.
Yes.
Like,
maybe we should try.
okay. So is this Temple Street?
Yes.
It's
We're
Temple
going
Street.
all the way. That's the beginning of Temple Street. We
Okay.
Go to that.
So is this place where they have the ladies market and the something market? Is this that place?
No, go further.
Okay.
This is also part of Temple Street.
Part of Temple Street. Okay, so this is part of Temple Street.
Okay, setting it all up at the moment.
Okay, so it's still early for this.
Yes.
Ah, okay, so they're just getting set up for the night market. So it's not completely out yet.
So when you get to like 9, 10,
I
so that's all time.
Right. So here's the night market we're walking through. I feel like I'm doing a check-in. Oh, thank you. Wow. They're selling all these like random things here. It's so interesting. Okay, so I think it's safe to film here. It's kind of like a flea market, you know? Yeah, okay, no. Yeah. I saw someone pointing to me again. So I'm just wary. I'm just being very careful. Joyce. Hi, Joyce. Will I meet up with Ruby? I'm not sure. I might. She did message me on Instagram. She messaged me on Instagram and she said if I need any help, you know, she'd be happy to take me around. Yeah. So, yeah. Arigato gozaimasu, Mindy's mom. Yeah. Sorry, I'm just like focusing it on my face.
There's a snake soup place over there.
The snake soup?
Snake soup place. That
Oh no. Yeah, there's a snake soup restaurant over there. I don't know if you guys remember, but last time we had snake soup in Hong Kong, Lawrence and I, we felt ill. Not because we were poisoned or anything. It's because snake soup is very, very strong. It's like medicine. And they say if your body's not used to it, it's not good. And so, yeah, we're not going to. Right, Francis? Yeah. The great thing about today is that the weather is really nice. It's not even raining. It's not hot.
Shinichi,
Yes.
this is a very old-fashioned Chai
Oh,
Still
is it?
running.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So the Chai is like this.
Okay, so these are like the very old-fashioned.
Yeah, the ordinary Chatantan is like this.
Okay.
They have a floor up there.
Oh, I seen this in the guidebook. So this is a very retro cha cha tent. It's like a traditional
No,
Hong Kong.
We can try as well
Okay.
sometime.
Yes.
Because they sell ordinary stuff.
I want to come here because I seen it on the guidebook. Thank you, PGJ. Thank you so much. So this is Mido Cafe.
Yeah.
It's a very traditional, like diner, open since 1950, and these are the real retro ones. And the things they have here are just really delicious. Jimmy says it's very famous. This place. Someone says this place is very famous.
So I think this one is not occupied. Only on the second.
On the second floor. Okay. Oh, I definitely want to come here. I want to come here.
I'll see him here.
Really?
So if you cross the road, you see.
Okay. Yeah, this place has been featured in
If you cross the road, you can see them.
Yes, please. Yes, this place has been featured in a lot of guidebooks. Somebody said, Lawrence, you have a Burberry bag?
Here,
This one.
it's a Valentino.
It's a Valentino.
Oh my god.
All right. Crossing. So, says we have to go to a Gai Pai Dong.
Okay, this is the second floor.
Oh,
They see people are eating.
right. So this is the old-fashioned diner that they have here in Hong Kong. It's becoming rarer these days. But I definitely want to go there. Famous but doesn't taste good. Really? Okay. All right. So I keep that in mind. And that was the market we just came out from.
There are a lot of music video are filmed here because
Really?
of the old-fashioned style.
Okay. It's really nice though.
Yeah, you see people still eating on
Right.
the second floor.
But somebody said, it's famous, but the taste is not so good.
Yeah, well, it's true because I think the chef I don't know it's still around. I don't think it's around anymore.
Okay. All right. So
They're
right.
just keeping the atmosphere.
Right. So you just go to enjoy the atmosphere.
Yes, I mean the price is expensive now.
Okay. Somebody said we have to go to Dai Pai Dong.
Dai Pai Dong is everywhere. You know the
Everywhere.
one is like open space
Okay.
eating.
Okay. We'll
Dai Pai
definitely
Dong
go
is
to one.
Just the name of the how
The
they eat
style.
it. The style.
Okay. All right. So we will. Okay. All right, guys. So I think it is time for me to go. I'm going to concentrate on what I'm looking at. And thank you so much for watching. Yes, you guys want to say goodbye? Would you guys like to say goodbye?
Bye bye. Yeah. Sorry, I'm trying to show my guests around.
Yes.
Yes.
All right, guys. Thank you.
See you next time.
See you next time.
Soon, maybe tomorrow.